How's everybody doing today? So wanted to start off by doing discussing a verse in the Bible. John 3:16. So God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. And this goes into what I want to talk about today, which is sacrifice, right? Obviously, the Bible goes into a lot about sacrifice, what Jesus went through for us, so, we can have a opportunity to have everlasting life in heaven. But what I want to talk to you today about sacrifice is, if you're seeking success, right, then it's going to involve sacrifice. So yesterday I talked about commitment, right? You have to be committed to what you're going after. But in order to get there, there are things that you're not going to be able to do anymore. You're going to have to sacrifice. I found this quote from the Dalai Lama that you can judge your success by what you had to give up to get it, right? So basically, the Dalai Lama puts such an importance on sacrifice that you can judge someone's success by what they sacrifice. Well, yesterday when I was talking about commitment, I talked about what I gave up when I was going after, losing weight in this diet that, I was putting myself on. And, well, I've kind of felt it already. I'm getting married here in a few months, so I'm trying to work out. I'm trying to be the best version of me. And I've already kind of felt it inside that, this is something that I need to do again. And, what's also led me there is, life puts people in your path. And I'm just going to tell you that I was, all of us fail all the time. I failed yesterday. I was unsuccessful. I had to face someone that, basically just does not represent what I try to go after. We just do not see eye to eye at all. And I listen to Joel Osteen a lot, and it's, he talks about you have to give over your peace. I've talked about several times. Well, yesterday, I let this person have my peace. And, so yesterday was one of few days in a very long time where my fiance's out of town, my little girl's staying over at a friend's. I'm completely frustrated after, this discussion I had with this other person that I just let get the better of me. And I said, you know what? Tonight's going to be a good night to just go home and have a couple drinks. Go get a nice bottle of, whatever and have a couple drinks. And so I went and I bought an expensive bottle of whiskey. And let me tell you, you can get the most expensive bottle of liquor you want out there. What does it actually accomplish for you at the end of the day? If you have too much to drink, what you're going to end up getting from it is a hangover. It may taste okay at the time, but then you're going to wake up, you're going to have a headache, you're going to feel bloated. It's not doing anything good for your body at all. And on top of that, as I also discussed, when I drink, I eat. So I, practically devoured an entire pizza while having a couple drinks. And, that's another thing. It's just like, if I'm going to try to get in the best shape I can and get ready for this wedding, I'm going to have to stop doing that. So to let you know, I have decided, and here's the other thing. So I could have waited till this thing's gone and say, okay, when this is gone, then that's it, no more, and it's easy to do that. That's very easy, and then I still get to enjoy the rest of this. But you know what? My sacrifice needs to take place now. I need to, instead of taking the easy road, you need to take the hard road and make it happen now. So on top of giving this up, I actually am going to go one further, and I also am going to be giving up bread and meat. So basically, no alcohol and fruit and vegetables for me it's going to be until the day of my wedding, which is, I believe, I should know exactly, but I think it's September 1st, so it's right around there. So it's just fruit and vegetables for me for a while. Because I want to be the best version of me. I want to look great for the wedding. But on top of that too, I'm really trying to give everything I can to this team building. So I've done very well on trading the Forex. I've been profitable at it. This group that I'm a part of is amazing, and they do great things for me. So, I've kind of taken this challenge to get outside of my comfort zone, and there's benefits to it. I get out and I build a big, huge team. That also is going to be good for me and my family. So, and I like the fact that I am also using this as an opportunity to hopefully motivate and inspire others, whether they work with me or not. So I just want to mention right now, if you are interested in making some extra money and you want to try that, if you're interested in the Forex, if you're interested in investing, please PM me. But at the end of the day, really what I want to do is motivate and inspire you to go after whatever it is you want to in your life. So I'm saying this now because what I'm going to do also is I'm going to go ahead and take you outside with me, and I'm going to pour this on the front lawn. So that is my beginning to my sacrifice for this journey of losing weight and just making more sacrifices towards this path of success that I am going after in building a team of people that I can work with and work to hopefully make successful here in the Forex market trading with me. So that's it. I'm going to grab the phone and we're going to go outside. So let's do it. Let's see. Okay. Shauna, how's it going? All right, here we go. Look at that. It's one of these nice bottles with like the corks too. So, that's a good whiskey. All right. Here we go. I'm going outside. If my neighbors see me, they're going to be like, what is that guy doing? So here we go. Here's the bottle. We are outside and it is coming out. There's a little tear going at the same time, but I know it's good for me. So the saying, I heard this also from Joel Osteen this morning, that our flesh is weak. Our souls and everything is strong, but oftentimes our flesh is weak. And so you can't dance around these things. You can't just kind of skate around it. You've got to choke it off right there and get rid of it. So anyways, short and sweet, that's my message today. So if you want to find success in your life, you're going to have to sacrifice some things. So I would suggest figuring out, and again, and I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it was the Cambridge English Dictionary that defines sacrifices to give up something for something more important. So you have to decide what is more important to you. Is your goal and what you're going after more important? Or, is this thing that you're having a hard time sacrificing more important? So, for me, it's the alcohol is not going to be more important. The, eating poorly is not going to be more important than me going after my goals and my dreams. So that's my life today. Again, I hope that I motivate and inspire you to go after yours, get off center, make it happen. So have a great day today and go get it. Take care. Bye.